to off on the right side of the dispenser, then open the cover from top. Insert two 1.5V AA batteries into the unit. Set spray interval to 2 hours by moving the left switch to maximum time setting and right switch to 24 hours for 90 days long effectiveness. Hold the HiCare AutoMos Refill away from your face and body. Shake it well and spray the nozzle minimum 3 times away from yourself. Insert the can by placing the can collar into the provided metal neck and the spray nozzle facing outwards. Close the dispenser cover. Hold the spray head away from the face/body and switch the dispenser on. Hang the dispenser at 7/8 feet height and enjoy the comfort of mosquito-free space.